Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we import an Excel table in AutoCAD. So for that, you have to click on this home button, and here in this annotation group, just click on this right lower corner, that is table. And here you will be having an insert options where you have to click on this from a data link. Just click on that and just click over there and create new Excel data link. So I'm writing here, and then you have to browse that data. Just double click on that, and now you have to choose the path. Like I'm selecting full path, and here is my file. So what's the range? But the range is E6 to H11. So I have to enter the range. Now just click on preview. So this is the file. Click on OK, press OK, and then again click on OK. Now you have to specify the point where you want to keep your table. I'll just click here. It's very small, so to make it larger, you just select it, click on scale, select the base point inside the table, and now you can do it manually or you can enter any number. So this way you can insert a table from Excel, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.